Why you should add avocado to your breakfast. Are you looking to supercharge your mornings? Today, we're diving into why you should add avocado to your breakfast every day. Avocados aren't just trendy, they're packed with incredible health benefits that can transform your breakfast into a nutritional powerhouse. Let's start with the facts. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and over 20 essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin E, and B vitamins. And those healthy fats, they'll keep you full longer and fuel your brain for the busy day ahead. Adding avocado to your breakfast can also improve heart health, thanks to monounsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol. One of the easiest ways to enjoy avocado in the morning is by making avocado toast. Pair it with whole grain bread and a poached egg for the perfect balance of protein and carbs. Or toss half an avocado into your morning smoothie. It adds a creamy texture and a boost of nutrients without overpowering the flavor. Skip the mid-morning energy crash. The fiber in avocados helps stabilize blood sugar levels, keeping you energized throughout the day. Ready to take your breakfast to the next level? Add avocado and you'll not only enjoy a delicious meal, but also reap amazing health benefits. Want more healthy eating tips? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know your favorite avocado breakfast recipes in the comments below.